A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of subject English of 9th class. I hope so. You all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, we have completed the B reading part and about the author of the B reading poem. Okay, the B reading, the duck and the kangaroo. Okay, and we have saw the about the profile of author. So author Edward Lear. Okay, so that author we have discussed, and I hope so you have done the previous homework of vocabulary skills. So if you are doing the homework, means please children, please keep in the group. Okay, so that we shall know that you are doing the homework. We shall know that you are doing the homework. Okay, so compulsory there should be reflection for whatever the homework I am giving daily. Okay, for every day. Okay, so today we shall discuss about the C reading part of unit 1. Okay, for the unit 1 there is a C reading part. So this is one of the interesting story which is same related to the topic of unit 1 only. So what is going on in the unit 1? So already you have seen. So what is the picture observation skills for the unit 1? So that is about the human. H-U-M-O-U-R. Okay, already you know the meaning of what is meant by humor. Is it right? So what is meant by humor? Humor means making fun or laugh on someone or something. Okay, that is called humor. Okay, is it right? So on this topic only unit 1 is going on. So here in the C reading also this topic is related with this C reading part. Okay, so before going to this lesson, so already you have learnt in one of the 6th class in the 6th class English, you have heard about a poem called The Naughty Boy. The Naughty Boy. Okay, so he used to stay in Scotland, and he used to stay in England, and he wants to go to another place. Okay, instead of that same situation, he wants to go to another place. So like that he rushes from his home and he went. So that means, so here what is the character of that boy? That is one of the naughtiness. That is one of the naughtiness. I hope so you are understanding. So naughty means, what is meant by naughty? Naughty means not listening to others words. Not listening to others words. So that is called naughty. So here the same boy, the same type of boy is there in this lesson also. In the C reading part also there is same that type of boy. So but here some sort of humor is added in this story. Okay, so what is the type of humor added in this story? We shall see in this story. Okay, so first of all there is what is the lesson name? Lesson name is Little Bobby. So here they used to situate one of the boy called Little Bobby. Okay, his name is called Bobby and he is very small, somewhat small. Okay, so this little Bobby got his birthday is arriving. His birthday is approaching very soon. That means maybe within 2 days or within 1 day or within few hours, like that his birthday is approaching. Okay, so for that birthday he started asking a gift to his mother. A gift for him only. Okay, so he asked to his mother. Okay, so generally if you are having a birthday, means what your parents will offer. So they may offer you any playing toys or any dress. Okay, any clothes or anything. Okay, if possible any books or any good novel books, like that they will be offered. Okay, or else they may give money to you. Okay, so like that every individual parent will offer individual types of different types of gifts. So whatever you know. So, but here a little Bobby. So this little Bobby is one of the naughty boy. One of the naughty boy. So naughty here. This boy was not able to listen to the parents' words. Listen to his parents' words. To his parents' words. Okay. So he always whatever he wants in his mind means that one it should be happen. That one it should be happen or it should be brought to him. So like that type of character was the little boy. So when his birthday was approaching, he asked to his mother. So please give me any type of gift for me. So like that he straightforward he went and asked her. So after asking, so his mother will say, so if you want to deserve a gift, deserve means if you are really qualified to have a gift, so what you have to do? So deserve means qualified. So suppose if a person is a doctor, if a person wants to become a doctor, so what he want, what he should be qualified, what he should have means he should have MBBS or any medical certificates, MBBS certificate like that. He should go on with the medical studies. Is it right? So without medical study, one cannot become a doctor. Without engineering study, one cannot become an engineer. So like that. So he was asking a gift. So this Bobby was asking a gift. So what is that gift he was asking means? So I want a bike. I want a bike to ride. Okay, I want a new bike. So that too red color bike he was wishing. So that is his wish. So here his mother is saying, if you really wants to deserve this gift, okay, if you are really qualified to this gift, so do one thing. I will say one thing. Do same like that. She said. So go to your room and close your door and write a letter to the God. Write a letter to the God. So here, if you write a letter to God, so he may give or may not give. So like that, his mother said to this little Bobby. Okay, straightforward, without thinking or without listening to, without thinking. So he straightforward. He went and he took a paper and he written. So what he was writing? So he was writing. So one of the letter. So first letter. So letter number 1 he was writing. So what is the letter he was writing? The first letter. So dear God, I have been a very good boy this year. I would like a bike. I would like a bike on my birthday party. So what is that letter number 1? So dear God, I have been a very good boy. I have been a very good boy. I have been a very good boy. A very good boy. I have been a very good boy. I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. So your friend Bobby, like that he written. So a small letter he written on the piece of paper. So I have been a very good boy. I have been a very good boy means here which type of tense it is? So this is I have been. So from the last year onwards. So from the last birthday to this birthday. So he became a very good boy, it seems. So that means first of all he is saying the positive words to impress the God. To impress the God, he was saying a very perfect positive word. So a very good boy he was saying. Okay, so that the God may impress and he may give a bike. He may present a bike to me, like that. This Bobby was thinking. But after some time, and what type of a bike he was asking? I want a red one. So a red color bike he was wishing. But after some time, there is no bike. There is no bike. So for that what happened? So he know. So what he know? Because what he know means from the last birthday to this birthday, he was not in a good position. He was not in a good condition. That means good condition means he was not at all a good boy. Okay, that one is there in his mind. But in the externally he written like this. Okay, and he turned this paper. Whatever he written first one, and again he started to write letter number 2. So what is that letter number 2? We shall see. So dear God, this is your friend Bobby. He started like this. So previously how he started? Dear God, I have been. So first of all he started about himself. But in the second letter number 2, what he started? So this is your friend Bobby. So I have been a good boy. So this time he reduced somewhat less. Why? Because already he know. So he was not at all a very good boy from the last birthday to this birthday. So he reduced one word. So he reduced very and he written just I have been a good boy. Like that. So I have been a good boy and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend Bobby. Like that he written. So I have been a good boy. I would like a red bike. On my birthday. Thank you, like that he said. So after this also, again he got him in his mind. So whatever he written in the letter number 2, that is also not correct. That means he is not in a good position. So from the last birthday to this birthday. So that means he know already. So he was not either in a very good or in a good. So for that what happened? So again he tore up the pages. He tore up this page also. Letter 2 also he tore. And again he took one more paper. And again he started to write. So this time he thought very logical. So at that time what he written? So dear God, I have been an okay boy. This year. So letter number 3. He started letter number 3. I have been a okay boy. I have been a okay boy this year. And what is written? I still would really like a bike. For my birthday. So like that he written. So I have been a okay boy. I have been an okay boy. So what is the meaning of okay? So okay, you will be saying. So if anyone wants to go outside means okay, you can go. If anyone wants to take anything means okay, you can take, like that you will be saying. Okay. So what is meaning of okay? Okay means try to find out the meaning of okay. So okay boy, just a normal boy. So I have been an okay boy this year from the last birthday to this birthday. So I would like a bike for my birthday. So like that he written. Bobby he written. So like this letter number 3 also written. And one more thing. So this also he was not satisfying. This is also not digesting in his mind, in his stomach. So what is that? So that means this is also not correct. In his mind he was thinking. So I have been not an okay boy from the last birthday to this birthday. So that's why again he tore letter 3 also. Again and again he was storing. So why he was storing? Because first he started with a very good impressive writing, very good impressive and positive reply. So that very good boy, he said. Then afterwards, just good boy. Now in the letter 3, an okay boy. Okay, he was reducing his goodness. Is it right? So like that he completed. Next, what happened? Again he took one more letter. So he know that he could not send this letter to the God. He could not send this letter to God. So he thought in his mind, and so Bobby wrote the 4th letter. So again he started to write letter number 4. So what is the letter number 4? So what he written means, say, God, I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy. If you send me a bike, this year, if you send me a bike for my birthday from this year onwards. So like that he written. Okay. So that means if you send me a bike for me for this birthday, so I will become a very good boy. I will become a very good boy from this year onwards. Like that he written. So negatively he started. Now in the letter 1 he started as a very perfect positive reply, for perfect positive answer. So now in the letter 4 he started with a negative answer. He started with a negative satisfaction. So I know I haven't been a very good boy this year. So I am very sorry. He is saying very sorry to the God. And what he said? I will be a very good boy. So he will be a very good boy, it seems. So on condition that, so when he will be a good boy, providing, if you provide me a bike for this birthday, like that he was saying. So like that he written, and at last, please, thank you, he written. So letter number 4 also completed. So after completing letter number 4, so he thought for a while. Again he thought for a while. So this time also there was no bike. Okay. So after completing this one, so straightforward he was getting so much of anxiety and frustration. So why he was getting frustration means, already this little Bobby was one of the naughty boy, and along with that he was not getting his bike. Is it right? So that's why what happened? He opened the door and he went to his mother. He reached to his mother. So after reaching to his mother, he said to his mother, what he said? I want to go to the church. I want to go to the church. Like that he said. So which is at the end of their street. So he wants to go to one of the church. Okay, which is situated which is located at the corner of their street. So like that. Okay. So for that mother accepted to go. And one more thing, his mother said, so come by dinner, come for the dinner. So don't stay outside for a long time, and for the lunch time or for the dinner time, you please come to home. So I will be waiting for your dinner timing or lunch timing, like that she said. So afterwards, okay, he said, and he went. So where he went? So he went to one of the church. So like after going to the church, so there where is the church is located means, it is located at the downstairs of the street. At the downstairs of the street, there at last corner there was one of the church. So he went to the church, and after going inside to the church, he saw one of the Mary's photo, one of the Mary statue. Mary means mother of this goddess. Mary means mother of this goddess. Okay, mother of the Jesus is called Mary. Okay, so he saw one of the small Mary statue. Okay, you will be seeing in the church father's hands. So there will be one of the plus symbol. One of the plus symbol are like this. Just like a Mary Mata statue will be there. So if you go to the gift shops, you can see. So beside this Jesus statue, there will be Mary Mata statue. So he saw this very small, somewhat small. Okay, this much of a statue is there. So he took the statue. So this little Bobby took the statue and he kept inside his shirt. He kept inside his shirt. Why he kept? So he was stealing. He was stealing that Mary Mata statue. He was this little Bobby was stealing this Mary Mata statue. Okay, and as he should not reveal as a thief, he kept that statue inside his shirt so that no one can see he is stealing. He is stealing. So after stealing the statue, he fast forward. He went to his home. Yeah, and he went into one of the room and he closed the door and he took one of the paper. Again he took a paper. So again letter 4 completed. Now letter 5 he was started to write. He started to write. So in that letter 5, what is the surprise he written means? So after taking that statue and he took a paper and he started writing. So what is that he started to writing means? See, letter 5. God, I have kidnapped your mother. I have kidnapped your mom. Means mother. I have kidnapped your mom. Mom means mother. Okay? I have kidnapped your mom. So if you want to see her again, that means if you want to your mom back, so send me the bike, like that he written. So he stole a Mary Mata statue. Is it right? I hope so you are understanding. He stole a Mary Mata statue. Then afterwards, after going to his room, he written, God, I have kidnapped your mom. I have kidnapped your mom. Mom means mother. So if you want to see her again, that means if you want your mother again, so please send me the bike. Like that he written. So that means, see, from the letter 1 to letter 4, he written as a good boy. Okay, that means as a very positive, pleasing request. As a pleasing request he written from the letter 1 to letter 4. So how many letters he has written also? The God is not responding. Like that. So for that he got a somewhat frustration, and as he stolen he took one of the negative manner. He took one of the negative style of pleasing a birthday gift. So what is that negative manner? So stealing this Mary Mata statue, who is the mother of Jesus, and wrote a letter. So what is that letter? So God, I have kidnapped. So previously in the letter 1 to letter 4, he said, dear God, he said. But in the letter 5, he just written God, I have kidnapped your mother, your mother. If you want to see her again, please send me the bike. So here he was not at all pleasing. So all the pleasings has been completed up to letter 4. So in the letter 5, just God, I have kidnapped your mom. So if you want to see her again, send me the bike. Like that he written. So that means after completing the positive request, so he took a negative request, a negative style of asking a birthday gift. So that means here, so as one thing you say, children, as he stolen, if he stolen the Mary Mata statue, means will the God gives any gift? So no, that won't be happen in the nature. Okay, so if if you theft the Mary Martha statue means you will be going to jail, or you any missing complaint will be coming. So here the God won't give the bite. Is it right? So that means here some sort of humor. So some sort of fun is it. So the God won't appear to him. So how many things he done also. So but he should go on with the positive style of request, and along with that he should be really wholeheartedly, he should be as a very good boy or okay boy, so that at that time only the God can arrange, so that in the manner of their parents, in the style of their parents. Is it right or not? So like that's why. So here what is a humor means just stealing the Mary Martha statue. The statue, just it is a statue only. Statue is, it is prepared with the help of either stones or any stone, anything. Okay, any marbles. Okay, so that's why here the God doesn't appear in the to the little Bobby, and not given any gift to him. So if you want any gift as a bike means, first of all he should be somewhat good, and he should remove the naughtiness. He should remove the naughtiness in his mind and in his works. Okay, so this is about the story of a little Bobby. Okay, see reading a little Bobby. I hope so you have understood this lesson very easily. Okay, and very interestingly. Okay, so this type of stories will be there in our nature. So many are there. Okay, if you want to, you can search in any internet also. You can find out this type of stories. Okay, so this is the end of this C reading part. Okay, so now actually already I have given the vocabulary skills as a homework. So today some more five words I am giving to you. So write those words also. Okay, as a homework. Okay, so vocabulary skills. Vocabulary skills. Vocabulary skills. Okay. So today's till now how many words completed? 5, 10, 15. So 15 words completed. Now today's 16th word. So today's 16th word. So 16th word is mechanic. Mechanic. Next 17th one, shock. Shock. Next 18th one, conversation. Conversation. Next 19th one, angle. Angle. Next 20th one, absolute. Absolute. So these are the more today's 5 vocabulary skill words. So already you know. So what do you have to do in this bit? So vocabulary skills means, so first one you should write the meaning of the particular word. Next just meaning. So next one is, so synonym word. Synonym word you have to write. Next antonym word you have to write. Next frame own sentence. Own sentence you have to write. Okay. For that word you have to write one own sentence. Okay. So these are the 4 subtopics of every word. Okay. So first mechanic, meaning of mechanic. Next synonym of mechanic, antonym of mechanic, own sentence of mechanic. After the own sentence means, so whatever the sentence you are writing, so in that sentence there should be the word mechanic. Okay. Frame by yourself only. If you are not getting, you can take any reference. Okay. So that you will be improving vocabulary skills. So this is only the most important thing and compulsory thing you should do to improve the vocabulary skills. So generally so many members will ask the doubt that so how to improve vocabulary skills, so what we have to read, so to whom I have to contact, so like that you will be asking. So for that answer is there in your hand only. So in your hand there is a mobile. Okay, internet also is there. So in the internet you take any word. Okay, for that word you search the meaning, you take the synonym and antonym. You can be right from the thesaurus dictionary. Okay, in the internet you use type thesaurus, the word thesaurus. So thesaurus thesaurus.com. You type this one in the search box, you type thesaurus.com, so that you will be getting synonym and antonym page. So for each word you can write synonym and antonym. So selected synonym and antonym. Only one synonym, one antonym enough. Okay. So mechanic, like that, shock, conversation, angle, absolute. So these are the 5 words to develop the vocabulary skills. So in the next class, more 5 vocabulary skills will be getting for you. Okay. So along with this, the main homework. So this is regular homework. The main homework of textbook part is you will be getting, I think so, you will be getting one of the homework as a study skills. So you should read that lesson, you should read the story, and you should write the title name, and you should write the important points from the story, whatever the narration was given. So in that you already, I think so, you have got that a photo, okay, as a homework. Okay, so thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.